Alright, what's going on, you guys? Andy here, and today, welcome back to another video. Now, before I start off, I'm sorry for the lack of videos lately. It's just that I just can't find the energy inside of me to record a video. I know it might seem stupid or like really weird, but mainly it's just the lack of motivation. Sorry about that noise, but yeah, it's just the lack of motivation for me right now. And also I really don't want to like force myself into record something that, you know, I should get out for a video. So sorry about you know, the lack of videos lately, just the lack of motivation for me, but hopefully that will be going away soon and I'll get back into recording something. So here's a video that I just wanted to make because last month in April I did have a go-kart race. I think I was like back at the end of April, but pretty much I didn't have any GoPro footage to upload on YouTube, so there isn't going to be like any GoPro footage of that race in particular because my GoPro, I think, broke. It's not like responding and it's not really like working that well, so I think it's time to upgrade to a new one. But anyway, just wanted to let you guys know about that. But here are some clips that my mom took of the racing happening and just other stuff that she recorded while she was there. So yeah, or happened to, I guess, video. So hope you all enjoy this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Oh yeah, if you're wondering, I am playing Shantae right now because I love Shantae. It's a really good game. It's beautiful and she's adorable and best girl maybe. Stop. Okay, but anyway, here's the video, and I hope you all enjoy.
Cities and all these towns.